Our next question, Alassane Diop asks, what's the difference between the I-130 and K3 visa? And is the fee the same? Isn't the fee the same? Well, no. I mean, an I-130 is a marriage case. If you're looking at it between a K3 and I-130, I-130 is when you submit a form for a family member. But if you're looking in the marriage context, the I-130 is you're married and you're starting the case. Once that's submitted, you can submit a K3 through Form I-129F to request that USCIS expedite that so that the foreign spouse could come to the United States faster and finish up the green card paperwork here. Now, there is no fee for the K3 Form I-129F if submitted after the I-130. The goal is just to maybe expedite the I-130. There's only a handful of these a year, maybe let's say there's 10 a year if that's a lot, of K3 being approved. K3 was necessary back in the day when marriage cases would take more than a year. Now, for the I-130 to be approved, but now it's not that big a deal, so it's not something that immigration attorneys file. But again, there's no filing fee for it, but it's an option. Some people want to try to push the issue. I don't like generally doing the K3 because what happens is they turn a marriage green card case, which first you file the I-130, and once approved, it goes to consular processing, and you finish up the work at the embassy. It causes them to bypass getting the green card at the embassy and just getting a basic visa to enter the United States, kind of like a tourist visa, and then finishing up the green card process here. But what that leads to is the foreign person, the foreign spouse coming in, not having a work permit and just sitting at home for many, many months, 6 months, a year, not doing anything until their green card interview. And that's really hard in a lot of couples. They want to come here and work and start their lives. So that's problematic, and it increases the fees and costs and all this kind of stuff in general. So it's not something I recommend unless people really want to do it. But mentioning these marriage green card cases, I have a guide called the Ultimate Marriage Green Card Guide, the best one out there, frankly, even though compared to paid ones. This is free. Just go to marriageimmigrationlaw.com. That's marriageimmigrationlaw.com, and send it and download the Ultimate Marriage Green Card Guide. A lot of information there that can help you go through all this process. But thank you for the question, Alassane. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.